Fine, let us go with the 19th one here. See, let us check how much time taken by a car driver to take 4 rounds of rectangular garden whose length is 200 meter and breadth is 100 meter. The speed of the car is 10 meter per second. So what they have given the speed of the car, correct? Speed is equal to 10 meter per second they have given. Now that is what we need to find? We need to find the time. The time is equal to what? And as well as distance they have given in terms of length and breadth. Let us check out this. Right. This is a rectangular garden. The length is 200 meter and breadth is 100 meter. Right. It is, again they have given 4 rounds. Suppose if he goes like this, this is going to be 200 and as well as 100. It is nothing but a perimeter. So let us check out. For one round, how much distance he is going to cover? Let us start from A. This is B, this is C, D. So he goes like this, right? And this. Now how much distance he is going to cover? That is 100 plus 200 plus 100 plus 200, which is nothing but 600 meter distance he is going to cover in the one round. But they have given in, that is 4 round, which is nothing but 4 into 600, 2400 meter distance is going to cover. So now we got a distance also. Distance is equal to how much? 2400 meter. Now what we need to find? We need to find time. We know time is equal to distance by speed. What is distance? That is 2400, correct? And what is the speed? That is 10 meter per second. Now this will become 240. So I'll cancel here. 240 what? That is seconds. Now I need to convert it in terms of minutes. To convert it in terms of minutes, that is from seconds to minutes, you just divide by 60. 0 0 will be cancelled. 6 1s are 6 4s are. That's what. So it's going to cover in 4 minutes. The answer is 4 minutes.